if you want to go ball.
Yes. And the fairy godmother.
Yeah,
I
know.
Go to the ball.
But don't take that.
Okay.
Because we're in a book in the library. See.
When she wore the blue dress, I never read it.
See, Mom? The book said there's no fairy godmother.
Where is it?
No, I don't know. It's not here.
Then, the magic wand, my magic wand, made her into a beautiful, a prettier dress than that blue one.
Cinderella's toilet. So, what are we going to do? Mom, let's go have a dinner.
Not yet.
Pretend she said yes. And Cinderella cook our food. Okay?
But no, it's too late. Not today.
Pretend the stubborn said, and she said, okay. Okay. Oh, fine.
We have to take. Okay. Fine.
This is a chair for her.
Don't take mine. Don't take mine.
I will. That's for, you know what, Joy? Wait, this is for the stepmother and this is for Cinderella. You need to cook the food if you want to eat. Mom! How can you eat the Cinderella's cooking?
Okay.
Sit here.
We will stand up because I can't sit really well.
Yeah. Papa uses here.
Yes, that.
Oh,
this is
Cinderella!
Yes.
Can you cook me some eggs and rice and cheese and everything? What you want, Mama?
But I never want it. I'm not hungry.
So cook me it. Mama,
Yes.
what you gonna eat?
I'm not hungry.
Pretend she said, yes, I'm hungry. Mom, what are you gonna eat?
I'm not hungry.
It's Cinderella's do and Cinderella to cook food and finish her job, Mommy.
But we're not today.
Pretend she said, yeah.
Yeah, good idea. I need another block.
Mom, we'll take. Hey, can I have it?
But I need one.
Please, sweetie.
You're ruining my surprise.
That's alright. I'm doing my surprise. No, also. Get it. Not for the stepmother. And
This one for stepmother.
That. Oops, sorry, Mom.
It's okay.
It's Cinderella, not David.
Hey.
Mom,
Yes?
she needs to clean all the porch.
Before she go to the ball.
Yeah, at home. But she never can go to ball.
No, because I will rip her dress.
Hello, yeah, here's the paper.